Ani sana musuh kahai jidol rok. Ang Kristen kaitung, Hindu kaitung, Japan kaitung, sinti perasa rong ke backward onek. Seng education nango. Bengal medium pore ui to kon lab kare. Sinti perasa rok Hindi konin ni netorok Hindi jani borok saimano. Primary education nang kasin English medium ong nango. Sin betterment of our future bagai. Bagai sing serai rono nijir bo sing English medium pore na bagai sai to. Ni bagai sing English medium school porting layo. Maximum to sini para bising basango Christian missionary no klok jago. Mai mario bela keno kahama ko jesin tipras area o Christian missionary ro school klok ka. Bagi bela kena bono abono education ung ko ni to abono ko kaya kare jisuni komo salai jago Christian hamna nangnai habri jago kubangma ang telefon chibino gui phai dong ani sinijak Hindu rok Christian thango gang sango bongno tok tamuni porosona khaina sanglaba porosona khai dong ঠিক আছে English medium kaham kok porosona khai di kaham kotorong di tamuni le Christian mahaba ang bongno sango no telefon ni bo photo to gusti si Hindu or Muslim or Japan onka tamuni le no hi suno জবরদস্তি হাবি jago শোনো প্রায়োরিটি রিজে গিয়া শোনো একটা কর্নার খাইও এমনকি ফোর্স এমনকি সিনারিও ক্রিয়েট খাই যাবো যাতে जों খ্রিস্টান उंगा नांनायाव माहाय सिनारियो क्रिएट खायो आदै सावा गोबां मा सानिया आं गोबां मा सेराय नि फेमिलि नि बरक कोना खागा आं परे आं कन्डेम मा खायगा तो कोनो ना एडुकेशन तो कोनो रकमनि नि partiality na kuya on the basis of any religion okono sara musong jate emon tang thong education system o government of jotono secular sans dijak thong bauto economically onek kisu an khai dong je free of from dong amkun kogia abo onek kisu kok dong abang asa thanglia তখন আবার আমি রিকোয়েস্ট স্যার নো এডুকেশন খাইলে মশা এডুকেশন খাই দি নং এক্সট্রা কারিকুলাম মতো নিয়ে নি মিশনারি ফোন হিন্দু নি নরক সোনা মশা খাইছে না আবার চান্স না নরক আবং সাপোর্ট খাই নাই হ্যাঁ ন মিশনারি খুলো কারণ হি মুসলিম বড় উচ্চারে মাসা মুসলিম সমানে সাইলে মশা মুসং বনা ফ্রং দি যে পরিণাম মশা আবার এক্সট্রা কারিকুলাম মতো দি Cerai masa swimming serna musuh jawab belum perung dia bo. Cerai masa lo ini driving serna musuh jawab perung di. Cerai masa business bo serna musuh jawab perung di bono. Abo si priority. Nin sin dharma abo priority able. Abo poren koksi. Abo second osi. Abo kan point of view ta tolro. I have my two adorable kittens. They are so beautiful, pretty. And talented and many more. I love them. I love them from my bottom of my heart. But I don't force them to be Hindu, to Christian, to be Buddhist, especially Christians. They force everyone in their missionary. I don't like that. I condemn that from direct. I love my cats. I want to make my cats healthy, prosperous and be good. I don't demand them money. I don't want them to be Christian. I don't want them to be Hindu. I don't want them to be Buddhist. To make them better, each and every day I think of them. I want to make them healthier. I might want to make them better in every case. As a human being to a prani or human being. I love them more than a human being or any other thing else. Whatever. I want them to be good. I want them to be healthy. I want them to be rich. In any case. But not in a condition. I don't want them to be Hindu. In case I am a Hindu. I don't want them to be Christian in case I am a Christian. I don't want them to be Buddhist, so then can be a good, healthy and prosperous life in their whole life. Just because I am a Buddhist, that is the fact. I am a human and they are a prani. I love them. I adore them. I want them to be healthy. I want them to be good. I want them to be rich. Okay? Not in a condition to be Christian, Hindu or Buddhist or anyone else. This is my final convict. That is my final conviction, guys. Okay? इसमें कोई स्कैम है? Please note that.